Those that don't know how to do their task on pause, second to the last one. So you can just open pause. After opening your pause, just come here to pause mass. As you can see, when I open this well done board, the go in front of it just turn to white, then immediately change back to black. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that when you come to this pause mass, okay, click here, then reload the bot. Reload this bot. So immediately reload, quickly click on pause mass, then you click on go. As you can see, it worked. So you click on go immediately. You have to be very, very fast, or else that go is going to change back to black.
Welcome everyone. Welcome once again to Legit Crypto and Forex. I just want to show us a working strategy on Forex, on how you can follow the trend using the candlesticks pattern. The candlestick pattern. First of all, there are different patterns and different types of candlesticks that are being form when price is moving, and these are actually indicators of trend. We can use it in order for us to trade the trend, focusing on the pattern that we see on the candlestick. So in this video I want to unveil onto us patterns that when you see them you should be able to focus on them, knowing sure that you will end in profit. So just watch this video to the end. I will try to make it short for us to be able to understand. Before I go to this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, turn the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this, and then share with your families and friends. Let them know that there is a place that they can get short training and short update as regards crypto and forex. So quickly now, let's look at candlesticks itself. The first candlestick is the bearish shooting star, and the bearish shooting star is actually a candlestick formation that give us opportunity or signal for us to sell, to go bearish. That's why it is called bearish shooting star. And this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the bearish shooting star. So once you see a candle pattern as such, you should know that this is actually a bearish shooting star, and in bearish shooting star you look for a sell. So when you see this, sell in direction of the trend as the opening of the next candle, or when it meets the criteria of the bearish shooting star. So once it meets the criteria, or it is the opening of another candlestick, you can actually sell to make profit. You can actually sell to make profit. The next one we are having is our bearish engulfing pattern. This is actually a very strong signal, that there is going to be a reverse in the market. Very strong signal, the bearish engulfing pattern. You see that it engulfs both the first and the second candlestick, both the two previous candlesticks. This particular one have engulfed or covered them. So once you see something like that, put at the back of your mind that you are selling. So when you see this, after the engulfing bearish candlestick appear in the direction of the trend, remember we are all following the trend. Sell at the opening of the next candle with a prospective stop loss order approximately 15 pips beyond the high of the week. So you set your stop loss below the high of the week of this particular candlestick pattern that you have seen, which is the engulfing pattern. The next one is our bearish squeezer top, bearish squeezer top. When you see this also, you have a sign for you to sell. When you see this, is actually a proof for you to sell, because it is a proof of rejection of high prices, in the market. So once you see such kind of candlestick pattern, just know that we are about to sell. You are about to sell. Why? Because it shows rejection of high price and is actually a trend um, continuation pattern. So that's for that. We're having the bullish shooting star, one of the very strong and good candlestick pattern. The bullish shooting star. This one is more or less for a buy. It's more or less for a buy. This is bullish. We have the bearish shooting star, but this one is a bullish. So when you see this in the direction of the trend at the opening of the next candle, or it meets the criteria of the bullish shooting star. So definitely you will see the shooting star. Why? Because it is one of the very strong pattern or candlestick formation that we see. So we're having the bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle, like I've explained, is actually rejection of low prices, and then we're seeing that the next candlestick engulf the previous candlesticks. So that is what we see here. So after the bullish engulfing candle appear in the direction of the trend, buy at the opening of the next candle with a protective stop loss. So this is how it's been done with the engulfing pattern. We are also having the bullish squeezer bottom, the proof that price of low price has been rejected. Low price has been rejected. We have the bullish morning star. Look at how it is. The bullish morning star is actually a pattern, a trend continuation pattern also. There is the bearish dark cloud cover, whereby 60% of it closes the previous candlestick or structure. So it is two of them. When you see such kind of candlestick, look for a continuation, trend continuation, and trade. We are also having the bearish evening star. This is actually a pattern, a candlestick pattern that looks like actually the star. Why? Because the candlestick covers or engulf all of the existing at that point. It covers everything. So this is just it. Let's now go to the practicals. So let's look at it. Look at the pattern here. Look it very well. You'll see that it's actually a rejection of high price. The rejection of high price is actually a pattern, a trading pattern. Rejection of low price. So here also we can see that it reverses, but you can see a pattern, a candlestick pattern, proving to you that there is rejection of high price. It's a pattern. You see the two of them are patterns, and price begin to sell. Price begin to sell. This is just a pattern. This is how we can actually use the pattern to trade the trend. Okay, now let's say we are going for a buy, bearish. Now let's look at how we can see a pattern and then we'll take advantage of it to follow the trend. Look at this pattern. Oh no, sorry. Look at this pattern. Look at this pattern. Engulfing patterns. Engulfing pattern. We're seeing it. They are engulfing patterns. They are engulfing patterns. Even here too, there's another engulfing pattern. So we see that it actually follow. It actually follow the patterns. So still looking for an example. Okay, yes, this one is going up, bullish. Let's look at it. We see patterns that we can identify. So these are actually patterns that I was able to figure out. So while we move on, look at patterns. So sorry. Okay. This side. Yeah. This side. They are patterns. You see them, they are patterns. Look at this one now. It's a pattern. So we see that the patterns actually go along with the trend. If we can actually understand this, you can be able to trade perfectly. Why? Because price we definitely look at the patterns. Definitely follow the patterns. So that's it. The end of this video. Do well to subscribe and also share the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.